How to get account number and transfer PIN from Lycamobile. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how to get your account number and transfer PIN from the Lycamobile. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, first you need to understand that the Lyca account number consists of 11 digits, and to obtain your account number, you need to contact the Lyca customer service at the given number, which is 1-866-277-3221. In order to get your Lyca account PIN, your Lyca PIN is a 4-digit CIP number, and Lyca typically sends this PIN via text when you first register on the website. So you can go to their website and type in a PIN and then go on with the process of logging in, and when doing so they will send you a PIN via text when you first register on the website. And if you don't have your PIN, you can also contact again your Lyca customer service at the given number for assistance again. Otherwise, you can also contact the Bell customer service by dialing 32293# under bracket from your Bell phone, or 020713203222 from another phone to request your PAC code. Alternatively, you can also email them at the given email address, which is cs@lycamobile.co.uk, to request your PAC code. Other than that, we also have another alternative, which is using the text-to-switch service by texting PAC to the given number, which is 65075 from your Lyca SIM to receive your PAC code via text message. So that is it. These are the methods you can follow up in order to get your account number and transfer the PIN from the Lycamobile. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.